So here we are. This is Martin again, and this is the Robert model home. This is going to be for sale. This is not just like a demonstration of something beautiful you can't have. You can have this home as you see it. Look at this nice porch entryway area. As you enter, you'll see how beautiful this home really is. Look at that kitchen, incredible. This countertop is about twice as wide as in many homes, but this is an exclusive collection. This is Richmond American, and this is the model home, so of course it has the top of everything. Every upgrade you can think of is here, with the fridge, the stove. Look at this sink area. I mean, this is kind of like a chef, I would call a chef sink. And as you look through your living room here, this is the dining area. This is 4,000 square feet. And this particular model is this is a model home. Don't forget, it's $400,000 of landscaping in the back here. So if you buy this home, you get it this way. That's the incredible thing about it. With the pool, all the landscaping, patio area, the barbecue area. It comes this way. So looking back into your home from the pool area, I'd be keeping kind of quiet on this video because it's so beautiful you just look yourself. This is the master main bedroom, which, as you can see, is beautiful. You can walk outside from the bedroom into the pool area. Great feature. Expansive bathroom. Look at this. They have a sink here in the bathroom on one side, and then two sinks on the other side. So one might be used for making a coffee or something like that. These are separate for two people that might want to use this house. And of course, this huge walk-in closet. Now, don't forget, this is a model home, so they've done all the extra cabinets and so forth. But when you buy the model home, you get it just this way. Look at the tub inside the shower area. Look at how big. It's so big I have to go back a little bit so you can see how big the shower area really is. Okay. Now we'll see the other rooms. But before that, I want to show you this. Like it says, bar area. You can do the different things with this as a wine, keep wine chilled. This is the pantry for the kitchen. Look at that, it's huge. And because it's the model, it's already set up with all the shelving and everything. This is your laundry area. It's hard to believe. Look at this. It has its own natural light window. Again, all kinds of nice cabinetry work. This is the walk-in closet area. So you can go through the walk-in closet to the washer and dryer from your master bedroom. Pretty amazing. And this is the separate dining room. Back to the front area, and then I'll show you the other bedrooms. This video, you know, I would say watch it twice because you have to just sort of fully appreciate how expansive this is. This has the two French doors. You could make it into a bedroom if you want. It's used for a study, especially nowadays. A lot of people work from home, work remotely, so that would be your work area. Look at this. This is kind of an entrance way into your bedroom area. So whoever stays in this bedroom has their own sink and fridge area, which is really appealing. If you have a guest, what kind of, can you imagine this beautiful room, full bath, huge closet, sitting area, and your own sink, so you can make some drinks, maybe put a microwave in here, heat up some food. So if you have relatives or long-term guests, look, they also have their own exit, so they can actually come and go from the house separate from you. Very nice design. So that's it. This is the Robert home, the Robert collection, the Robert plan, 4,000 square feet. It's going to be for sale soon. Please see me. It's going to go really fast. It's a model home in a beautiful area, single story only, exclusive gated. So that's it. Martin Guaglione, 702-708-1888. Please reach out to me soon. Thank you. Bye.